enough, yeah, you think? Funny looking tree. Plastic. But we will take the cord. Let's see what we got over here. Plastic. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Alright, starting the day off with a couple of things. Got a bunch of eBay stuff I need to take in after we were to run around looking for junk today. Got some good totes there. I can pass on the totes. I don't really need them. Alright, let's see what we can find. A couple little things. Put my gloves on, but they're kind of covered in icky. We went and got another stove yesterday off of the old marketplace. It was kind of gross. So my gloves are a little nasty. Anyway, so listening to the radio, they were talking about places in California are $6.21 a gallon of gas. And you got to feel for those people. I don't know how you can survive. I mean, obviously they get paid a little bit more money, but it's kind of the same thing going on everywhere across the United States. Everybody's getting paid a little bit more money, right? So we're soon to catch up with all the higher prices, just like California has. You know, higher wages comes higher prices. It's just kind of how it is. So the general solution is to get a better job, which, I mean, mostly easier said than done. But then what do we all do with those people that, you know, those jobs that were lost because people left to find, I think that's the back of a TV, I'll swing it around, the jobs that the people left for a better job. So, you know, then those are empty, and then we're all complaining that we can't get our cheeseburger because there's nobody there to serve us. Well, that's kind of how it happens, but nobody wants to listen until things actually start transpiring and you see what the reality is. I'm gonna quit rambling. We're scrapping. Oh man, sometimes they're metal. That one not so much. Plastic. Oh well. Mop handle. Man, it's not finding much. couple more neighborhoods to go yet. Hopefully things will pick up a little bit. We shall find out. Snow blower. Well, part of a snow blower anyway. Take part of a snow blower. Kind of a busy road. Looks like they replaced their snowblower with a shovel. Yeah, busy road. And we're picking up some cords today anyway, that's good. Shepherd's hook. Some aluminum there, also some fiberglass. Really wish they wouldn't have cut it up though.
Helping you balance.
Slush on the roads from last night's freezing rain, sleet, snow event. But we're heading to the scrapyard, so last I heard scrap prices had gone up around here, so we'll see. I don't bother calling, I just take it in. So it was all free to begin with, so see what we get when we get there. Alright, 4,380 pounds in. Let's see what we weigh coming out. Man, that poor S10. Poor S10. junk pile. Hey, I know that car. One of Damien's friend's grandpa brought that in, I guess. Was sitting at his house for a while. Alright. Let's get this offloaded so we can get paid. Lucky I have you guys to protect my head there. Alright. That's that. Let's get the money. Go get the money. Alright, I can't remember what I said. We were 4,300, I think. 4,320. We are 3,700. Alright. Okay, price did not go up. Actually went down quite a bit. So that load, $47. Yep. Money's money, I suppose. So much for it going up, like everybody said. Yep. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.